आज के दिन एक बहुत शुभ संकेत हुआ है और वो शुभ संकेत है कि संविधान निर्माताओं ने जिसकी कल्पना की थी और निर्देश दिया था संविधान में, एंड दैट इज इन पार्ट 4 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी. Our framers of the Constitution directed state to work hard to realize directive principles. कुछ का रियलाइजेशन हो गया है, like right to education. पर एक जो रियलाइजेशन है वो आर्टिकल 44 है. आर्टिकल 44 of the Indian Constitution mandates, orders, the state shall endeavor to secure for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. We all are in joyous mood today. The beginning of the last quarter of the century of adoption of Indian Constitution has taken place with Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand, making UCC a reality. One state has done it. I congratulate the farsightedness of the government for realizing a vision of founding fathers of the Constitution in having uniform civil code in their state. And I'm sure it will be a matter of time when the entire country will have similar legislation. Some people, I would say out of ignorance, are criticizing it. How can we criticize something which is mandate of the Indian Constitution? Ornament emanating from our founding fathers. Something that has to bring about gender equality. Why we oppose it? I'll come to that later on. हमारे जहन में राजनीति ने इतना घर कर दिया है कि वो जहर का रूप ले चुकी है. राजनीतिक लाभ के लिए राष्ट्रवाद को तिलांजलि देते हुए हम पलक भर भी नहीं झपकते हैं, चिंतित होते. How can anyone oppose promulgation of uniform civil code? You study it. You study the debates of the Constitutional Assembly. You study how many times the Supreme Court of the country has so indicated. We have to see the challenges. And challenge to the nation is millions of illegal migrants are living in our land. Millions. Is it not a challenge to our sovereignty? Such kind of people will never be wedded to our nationalism. They use our resources of health, education, and other facilities. They engage in jobs meant for our people. I expect everyone in the government to take a severe look at this. This problem and resolution of it cannot be delayed even by a day. How can a nation suffer illegal migrants in millions? They are a threat to our democracy because they are trying to influence our electoral system. They are also a threat to our societal harmony, to our national security.